how to get the perfect rounds when you're making your pastry. Don't worry if you don't have a cutter, guys. You can just use the lid of your pot and you're good to go cutting. These are the ones that I've done so far. So this was the leftover from my Nigerian chicken pie, the Nigerian minced meat pie that I did. So that's the filling that I'm actually putting in to start with. This one is done. I just stretch it out like this with my hands to start with. Check out my YouTube channel for how I made my pastry. I've tried using this, guys, and it just didn't work. I just think using leftovers that you have in your cupboard is really good, or in your freezer. So you just spread it as thin as you can. The good thing with using the pot lid is you also get the right diameter, so each pastry would be the same size. Press it down like so, and then you just pull it out. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So these ones, I'll roll them all together and use them for another pie. I put my egg, put it in the sides, your filling in the middle. After the filling defrosted, I added chili powder to it. So he's put some more chili, so I'm going to carefully try not to touch his chili. You see, his is already poking out, so...
You could always mix some of that sauce with the egg wash.
Nice try. So you just use the fork, whatever you call it. I'm going to try not to touch it with my hands. So you basically take one, stretch it out like so. Go check out that video, guys. It's on my YouTube and Facebook as well, on how to make Nigerian chicken pie with a twist. And then you just fold it over, and as you're folding it, try and make sure the filling is in the middle. Use your fingers to press down the pastry, and then you just use your fork to seal the edges so that the filling does not come off. Perfect size, and they would all be equal. Glaze it and then whack it in the oven for 40 minutes. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.